In June 2025, 23 agri-food researchers convened in Kigali, Rwanda, for the 2025 DEMETRA Modelling Training Workshop. DEMETRA, which stands for Dynamic Equilibrium Model for Economic Development, Resources, and Agriculture, is a tool that helps researchers understand how different policies or unexpected events can affect a country's economy and its people. It's especially useful for exploring the potential effects of food security policies before they are implemented.
We brought together researchers within the PANAP network across the continent to build their capacities and to be able to influence policy.
Participants have been introduced to the core structure of the DEMETRA model, how to navigate the GAM software environment, how to convert policy option into modeling simulation, and how to interpret in modeling outputs. We discussed a lot how the model can be adapted to real policy scenarios in specific national contexts to provide evidence-based decision-making.
The DEMETRA training gave me a way of thinking on the very policy-relevant research, and because with CGE, with a model like DEMETRA, you are able to implement research, or you are able to simulate research policies and offer economic-wide impacts which are not available in more spatial equilibrium studies or econometrics.
The training was highly practical, with participants working in small groups to apply the DEMETRA model to real-world policy scenarios. This hands-on approach gave them a clear understanding of how to use the tool for economic and food system policy analysis.
And so it was refreshing to have instructors that were literally at our beck and call, very willing to help. Every time we encountered a roadblock during our group tasks or during the hands-on exercises, they were always willing to help us point out what was wrong. We could quickly fix issues, move on, and even complete our tasks, which was really great.
We expect that these people who have been trained here are going to train others wherever they are going, and we expect that they will mentor others wherever they are, and then we will have a strong network of policy analysts in Africa.